Oh, man. Richard Williams was a fierce defender of his family. In this time in my life, in this moment, I am overwhelmed by what God is calling on me to do and be in this world. Making this film, I got to protect Ingenue Ellis, who was one of the most...
Want to know how I made this? Keep watching to find out how. Now, the first thing you're required to do is to visit swapface.org. Unlike other deepfake applications that you can just access online, this is one that you can download and use offline, which means it's going to require a lot of resources from your computer. These are the minimum system requirements. Without this, you won't really enjoy the experience. If you have a computer that has even more specs than this, then you are going to have a very smooth experience. Now, all you need to do is find the download button for the platform you are trying to use. It's going to install to a default location on your hard drive, and this is the current version. It's version 1.1.6.2, and this is the software. So I'm just going to launch it. It's going to ask you to log in once you open the software for the first time. In my own case, I have already signed up because that's the first thing it's going to request for. And if you have not, it's as easy as just putting in your email address and password and signing up. Now, the first interface is going to be this. For a free account, you won't escape having a watermark in your final output. Now, the first thing you're going to see is this tab for the stream face swap. So for this software, you can have a face swap for live stream, whereby you would be like you're streaming and you can replace your face and it happens real time, which means it's going to require a lot of resources. What we are interested in right now is the video face swap option. It's very, very easy to do that. I've already uploaded a portrait of mine, which, by the way, this was generated by another AI software called AdFlow. If you haven't watched how I do that, I'm going to link the video up. But then it's just as easy as you adding the target video here. Then on this section, you're adding the image and generate. So let's go ahead and upload a video. Now, upon uploading the video, it's going to first of all automatically identify a face from the numerous faces in the particular video, in case the video has so many faces. I went ahead to just use this as an example. Let's just close this, because this is a video where Will Smith was given an award, and as you can see, the video itself,
here are the nominees for performance by an actor in a leading role.
Yeah, so the video itself has so many faces, and you're going to see different scenes, different movie sections indicated, and you can see that there are so many other faces here. And one thing with this software is that you can replace up to 1, 2, 3, 4 faces simultaneously. So now I am interested in replacing my face with that of Will Smith from the part where he accepted the award and giving his own speech. So for that purpose, I went ahead and used another software to just shorten this entire video that would just take the part where Will Smith was talking, and I left the other 6 to 7 minutes long video. Now, upon uploading this other shorter version of the video, it recognized that there's Will Smith's face from the first instance, but this part that was automatically recognized is one which Will Smith was looking down. So just to get a bit of an accuracy, we would prefer to just play the video and find a spot where Will Smith is looking at the camera.
Richard Williams
All right, come on, look at the camera.
was a fierce.
All right, I think this is even better. At least he is facing front, so this is fine. Now once you have a shot like this, you can just click on the face detection and it's going to bring it as one of the suggestions. Next, you just click on the particular face and click on choose. It's going to add the face here. So now let's say I want to replace other faces apart from just Will Smith, but I want to do it simultaneously. All I need to do from here is to select this part, and it's going to identify from the faces it has seen so far. But then if I keep on playing the video,
Defender of his family.
it's going to show different faces, quite sure, because the video itself has so many faces. All right, this part has so many faces, this particularly. So once you are here and you want to find a face to replace, you can just click on face detection. It's going to just scan through and find all the faces it has realized on this page, and the faces are so many that you can just decide to replace whichever face you want. Let's say I want to replace this guy with glasses, or I can't find the face here. I'm going to next page. I can go to the next page and all that. So if I click on the guy with the glasses, I can just click on choose, and it's going to add the face to this second part, telling me that I would be able to replace this other face, and so on and so forth. I can do it for up to 4 faces within a video. I haven't seen a deepfake tool that has done this so far. I mean, most of them are just online tools that are highly limited. So in this case, we're just going to replace one face. So I'm just going to close this. Now that I've added this, the next part is to choose from these images, or you can upload yours like I've done here, the face to replace with. And once you've uploaded it, you can just choose the face and it's going to just appear next to the face from the video. Some other things that you need to note in this software are things like the number of times you can create deepfake videos per day. So within this tool, for a free account, you can just create 10 videos per day, which, well, I don't know what you're doing with deepfake videos, but 10 should be enough if you're actually just doing it for fun. But if you're too serious with deepfake related items, then you can just go ahead and get the premium version. Next thing you'd also need to know is these modes. There are several modes here: the fast, pro, expert, and hybrid mode. The one we used for the video you saw in the intro was the expert mode, and it's going to give you a reminder that for you to use pro, expert, and hybrid mode, you need this requirement, and it's recommended. Not that it won't work without it, but it's going to just be extremely slow. And then these are the differences. The expert mode has like the best resemblance compared to pro and fast mode. Fast mode does it faster, but it still takes lower resources, but then you can still go ahead and generate something. The hybrid mode is optimized for occlusion, but then this expert mode is more than enough. Now, after selecting all these options, you can just go ahead and click on start. If you are using a free account, it's going to bring up this pop-up telling you that you're out of credits. This doesn't mean you can't generate, but there's an option for you to continue the generation using watermark. And once you just go ahead and click on this, it's going to tell you, all right, fine, you've chosen the watermark option, so I'm just going to generate this video using the watermark option that you've given. And once it initializes, it's going to show you the progress and then complete once it's done. So the speed highly depends on your computer's resources. You should know that. And I believe that's just all you need to know. Download the software, give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.